Hi, I'm Ashmi and welcome to my channel Honey Chili Stories. So, a few days back, exactly on the auspicious day of Dashera on 15th of October, my YouTube channel got monetized. So, thank you so much for your support on this channel from day one. It took me quite a lot of time to reach to this point. The journey has been anything but easy, but I have to say that it has been extremely fulfilling and satisfying one. So I started this channel last year in 2020 and launched it on my birthday as a gift to myself. I was shifting from India to Belgium and I thought it's a good time to create a YouTube channel so that I can document my new phase of life here, and that is how it started. In the beginning, with hardly any research, I just started this channel and I thought that it would be easy and fun, but then eventually I realized YouTube is not a joke. It is so much of hard work. You have to do everything, like planning the content, shooting properly, then editing the videos to make it in the best possible way, lots of things, and I had no prior knowledge about these things. So in the beginning I struggled a lot. I had to research and then watch so many videos to get the tutorials, how to edit videos and shoot videos and everything that goes into YouTube business. And eventually I started picking it up. I had so many ups and downs. Like in the beginning, I used to struggle a lot to find good ideas because I was sure that I wanted to make valuable content for the audience and not random stuff. I could have made random vlogs and just uploaded it on my channel, but then there was no point. I really wanted to provide value to the viewers, so that was my initial struggle. And then the second major struggle I had was editing the videos. I used to take almost a week to edit one single video, so oh my god. But now that is not the case. I am able to edit my videos in a day or two. And the third major issue was consistency. So it is very important on YouTube or any other social media to upload content consistently, and I struggled a lot initially. Like I used to have big gaps between each video, but now I'm able to manage and I upload once a week at least. So that is my goal and I'm able to do that. So all this requires lots of patience, hard work and consistency, but I was willing to do it because I loved every aspect of this YouTube journey. It genuinely made me happy. And after 1 year, 7 months, I finally became eligible because I crossed 1000 subscribers on 15th of June and 4000 watch hours, the painful 4000 watch hours on first week of October. So that is how I was eligible for monetization on my channel. And then the timing, the perfect timing, I've got my Google AdSense pin, which is an important process for YouTube monetization, on Dhanteras, on Chote Diwali. So I think God blessed me. So I am so happy. This was not possible without your support, and I connected with so many people online. So many messages I get every day on YouTube comments as well as on Instagram. So this makes me really happy. Thank you again. It makes all the hard work totally worth it. This is just the beginning, and I'm really excited to make more progress in my YouTube journey, and so excited to make more amazing videos regarding food, travel, and expat living in Belgium. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do it. And now I'm so excited to tell you about something I've been working on since few weeks now, I think 1 or 1.5 months now, and that is I'm launching my own website. So it has been my dream to have my own blogging website since a long time now. I think even before starting my YouTube journey, I actually wanted to create a blog, but then that did not work out and I started YouTube channel. I just concentrated on that, and after finally monetizing my channel, I thought that I think it is a good time to concentrate on my other dream, my blogging website. So when I used to work full time in my corporate job, whenever I got free time, I just ended up reading lots of beautiful blogs regarding food, travel, and adventures of different people all around the world. I found them amazing. Different people sharing their thoughts through words, expressing through wonderful articles. I was always amazed. Reading those blogs, I always thought that wow, I want to have my own blogging website one day as well. But then dreaming about it is one thing and actually working on it is another thing. And I just could not, take that dream out of my mind regarding the blogging website. I had to do it one day, and finally I started designing it. Oh my god, it took a lot of time. I didn't think that it would take so much time in the beginning. I thought I would launch the website 2 or 3 weeks back. I started posting about this secret project on my Instagram stories just to tease people, like I'm working on something, and I thought that I will launch it now, launch it last week or something like that. But then it just took time lots of times I had to design lots of pages and make lots of changes, but then I think now it's in a good shape and ready to be launched. So yeah, this is the news I had been wanting to share with all of you since a long time. I could not control, but I had to keep silent because the website was not ready, but now it finally is. I know today's world is so visual and people, including myself, love watching videos, but then it is something about reading wonderful articles and blogs that makes you feel peaceful, calm. I think most of you will agree with me on that. So whenever I wanted to try a new recipe, I took reference from both videos and articles, but more from the food articles because it was easy to know the measurements and quantities. Also, whenever I plan a trip to a new place, I end up reading lots of articles to make my itinerary. It actually helps me to plan my trips in a better way rather than just watching videos. And also regarding the videos that I make on expat living in Belgium, I have to refer lots of websites to get the proper facts and the information to share with my audience. So blogging and websites are a big part of my life. I really value them, and that is how I just fell in love with the blogging world, and I wanted to do it myself also. So after reading innumerable blogs and websites, it just inspired me to have my own website which would be helpful to so many people in need of information, and today is the day that I'm launching it. So my website's name is honeychilistories.com. Yeah, it's the same name as my YouTube channel, and it feels so surreal. And the main question is, what does my website offer? First is regarding food. So I'm going to write blogs about simple homemade recipes and also maybe complicated recipes, and also my restaurant experiences in different towns and cities in Europe, in India, anywhere I go. I actually wanted to continue shooting YouTube videos for food for my channel. I have shot 2 or 3 vada pav and siddu and few of them, but then my kitchen is pretty small and it becomes a nightmare to shoot there. I've tried, then I gave up. It's more of a headache than fun. But now through my website, I can still connect with the audience through my love of food. So I've already published one blog which is regarding an amazing vegan restaurant that I visited in Rotterdam when I had gone for my Netherlands trip recently. So you can read that article and find some beautiful pictures of the food and the experience that I had. Okay, then traveling is something that I absolutely love, and I've been to some amazing places in Europe as well as in India. So through my website, I will be able to share the itinerary plan for a few of the trips that I've gone to, so you can plan as well reading those articles. Like I have already posted regarding the Madrid 3-day trip which I went in July. I have made a video for the same, but then I could not elaborately mention everything in the video, so you can find all the details in this blog post, so you can read that too. As my YouTube channel focuses a lot on providing valuable content to people regarding expat living in Belgium, my website also offers the same, where I've dedicated a section to it. So all the expats can gain a lot of information through these articles that I have posted, and I've already published 2 of them, so you can read them. So like YouTube channel, creating valuable posts on my website will also require lots of hard work, but then I have decided to publish at least 1 blog post every week. I will try for 2 at least actually, along with 1 video on my YouTube channel per week. So I'm going to be so busy, but then I am absolutely loving all this creative process. And like my YouTube channel, I really hope that you also like my blog website. I've really put my heart and soul into it, into designing process and making everything very nice so that you enjoy reading all the articles. So yeah, that is what I've been working on since a long time now. So I'm so excited to start this blogging journey as well along with my YouTube journey. So I wanted to make this video specially to just talk about my website and also regarding the YouTube journey, which will continue. I think that is all. So I will come back soon with more exciting videos and also amazing articles. So watch out for that. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do that and give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.